The design story of Sit It. While each have their own strengths, like craft, performance, sustainability, innovations, ergonomics, heritage, relationship, materiality, the very thing that sets us apart, unites us, through design. We at Sit It always keep in mind of the end user when designing, to provide them with greater comfort in use. Designing chairs to fit all people of all sizes. We always looked at ergonomics, tied with wellness from a physical point of view. How would the chair fit the person, to make him or her feel more comfortable? Taking feedback and ideas from our customers to redesign chairs, so we can better provide them. Looking for problems, and finding what's possible, by collaborating with our team. You can find design in every detail. We do a lot of prototyping of the final design, which is our way of communicating with the manufacturer. At Sit It, our mission is to inspire designs to help people do great things. We collect all our designs and send them to the manufacturer in China. Then they go through our designs and start manufacturing. One of the biggest chair manufacturers in China, equipped with professional production equipments, fully autonomous. The materials are carefully handcrafted, with hundreds of sewing machines. Adhering to all professional standardized inspection process. Numerous quality testing done to meet the highest quality standards. The chairs are packed and sent to the harbor, to be shipped to Sri Lanka. And then brought into our assembly plant, to be assembled by our professionals. We make sure the chair is properly assembled and ready to use. And then it's packed to be delivered to your doorstep.